Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy M35. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now you can click open and here click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and now click consent and click this button to start VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see now I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.